Welcome to ReImmagine AI training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to use AI editor in ReImmagine AI. By using our exclusive image editor. Here you can edit your image. You can adjust your image. You can add frames to your image. Using our text editor, you can add text to your image in different sizes and fonts. You can also edit opacity and position of the text. You can upload an image from your local or media library. You can add shapes to your image. You can add elements to your image. Add icons to the image. You can add QR codes to your image. Just add the site URL, size, color, roundness, label, color, size, position, and your QR code will be generated. You can draw images. Once you are done editing, you can download your image in desired format. Thanks for watching the video.